Hey everybody, my name is Stu Fuchs. This channel is Ukulele Zen, and what I'd like to do is to take you through an easy to play, beginner-friendly chord solo for Hark, the Herald Angels Sing. This is a free PDF. You can download it at the link down below, my little Christmas gift for you a few days after Christmas. And I'll be taking you through this arrangement with close-ups of my hand. This is a little sample of what you receive as a member of the Chord Solo Club. Each and every month I create a detailed tutorial like this and arrangements of tunes. Now, this can be played exactly as written with just the thumb, and you can also embellish it a bit with fingerstyle. I'll get into both right now. Let me play a little bit of it for you right now, give you a little sample of what it sounds like. I'm playing this on low G, works great on any tuning. Baritones, you'll just be in a different key. Sounds like this. 2, 3, 4. Practice tips to make it easy for you to practice and learn it in a quick way. Let's learn it one step at a time. First, we'll just block it out with a thumb, and then I'm going to show you some fingerstyle variations. These can become very intuitive with time. Once you get a handle of one finger per string technique. I have a whole course to teach you fingerstyle technique. You can enjoy a discount on that at the link down below. Let's begin picking the entire piece with just the thumb, nice and slow. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's just pause right there, block it out. You can see that I'm at times playing single notes, at times strumming the chord and stopping my thumb from playing all the strings right there on Herald. So let's play this together. 3, 4. Pick the open string. That's C13, gorgeous voicing. It sounds nice with a low G or a high G. Then we move on to this F major. You're going to add the pinky on top of the melody. Keep the pinky there. Keep the pinky there. As you move to B flat, add 9. Let's pause for a moment and just have a little Zen moment of relaxing the thumb. Okay, keep the hand open like you're holding an egg. There should be a little space here for a bird to fly through and land in the nest. See if you can keep that pinky there, not by force, but by settling it. Okay, so let's begin with the F. Right there. Keep it loose. You can even just reach out with your picking hand and gently move the hand to encourage it to be soft. Remember, a soft thumb means a soft wrist, and that's a happy hand. Let's practice that moment. Here we are. F. Keep it soft. Lift. Now here we're going to pivot, keeping that pinky there. Now it may seem like a lot of detail just to go into one moment, but we learn a lot from zooming in on these moments and gaining new technical skills. This skill is, we have a common finger. It just happens to be one of the less developed fingers on our hands, the pinky. We can develop it and keep it soft. After that moment, we move to the index finger at the first fret, and then we go to this gorgeous chord, C13. Voila! Let's play that whole first phrase. 1, 2, with the thumb. Later, we'll add fingerstyle variations. Let's move on to the next phrase, peace on earth and mercy mild. begins the same way. 3, 4, D minor to a G9. Now here we have this D minor shape. Keep these two fingers the same, just slide it up, and you have to open up that ring finger. See if you can let it all ring. And here we move on to the C. Here, I had the choice of either just playing those notes of E, D, C. I decided to put it up here to give you a little harmonic variation. Okay, so that cadence, instead of playing reconciled, I put it up here for you. And as we're going to see in a moment, we can bounce off that G string to create some eighth note texture. Let's practice this together. 1, 2, peace on earth. So you can see, got a little bit of a hand dance there. Repeat it a few times, it'll be under your fingers in no time. Next phrase, joyful. 3, 4. That's just picking around the F major chord. And now we're going to do some double stops, pinching with either the thumb and the index or thumb and middle. Same phrase again. Pinch, pinch. And then we move on to this bar chord. Let's talk through that just a moment. First of all, we have this bar at the 5th fret. Begin by laying it down lightly, adding the other fingers. Notice I'm not even pushing yet, just getting the hand relaxed. Reach out and take your relaxed temperature, so to speak. It's like taking your temperature. If your finger's sticking out like this, there's probably a little too much tension in the wrist. If it's curled up, there's probably too much tension down the arm. So just reach out, feel if your pinky can be soft, then squeeze a little bit and let go. Okay, that's how you make friends with your bar chords. A lot more about bar chords and other videos on this channel, Ukulele Zen. Look them up if you can find it. Ukulele Zen on YouTube. Lots of relaxed ways to make your bar chords easier. So just lift up. And now watch me get these double stops. Index finger slides down to the 3rd fret. Same shape moves down. And now we have this nice cadence. Pay attention. Here's another technical learning moment. See what my ring finger's doing? From here, right there, just keeps on gliding on that string. So that's a guide finger. Really helpful. And now look, it's just going to stay there. One more chance to practice pivoting with a light touch. Same phrase. Let go, leap, land lightly. You got it. Here we go. Pinky, 8th fret. Okay, blues variations aside. There it is. We blocked out the whole tune. Take some time to make friends with each shape. Remember that process we did with the B flat chord? Where you just plop the hand on, just make a thud, light touch, and then just squeeze a little bit. Find that place where you're just making a clean sound with the least amount of effort, and then shut off the sound. See, I'm shutting it off. Won't be long till it's light. Apply that technique to every passage if you're willing to. Just do that for each chord. It may seem like you're going slower, you're actually saving yourself a lot of time and you're training your hand to be very relaxed. Appreciate you watching. If you're enjoying this so far, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, Ukulele Zen, and would you please share this video with a friend? It'll help YouTube to spread my content to more enthusiastic ukulele players like you. Appreciate you hanging out. Please download this 2-page PDF. It's totally free. It's a sample of what you get in the Chord Solo Club. Each month I create chord solo tutorials that are both beginner friendly and also more advanced. I also have a whole course on fingerstyle, chord solo playing. Check the links down below and enjoy the discount through the end of the year. My name is Stu. I'm so glad you're here. Part 2, let's get into some fingerstyle. Now, when we get into the fingerstyle variations, what we want to do is just make friends with this concept of thumb, index, middle, ring on one string at a time. There's a lot to say about fingerstyle. I don't want to bog you down with too much technical detail, but in a nutshell, just get used to the planting. If you want to go deeper, check out the fingerstyle course, but here's a shortcut. Notice my thumb is forward, right? It's not back here. It's like when you go out to shake somebody's hand, right? Your thumb isn't back here. It's just forward. So find the most natural way to touch the strings and then rub your fingers on the strings like that. Just make a squishy, squeaky sound and notice where the indentations are. They should be right where the fingernail meets the flesh. I do have long fingernails because I play classical guitar and I love playing the ukulele with fingernails and flesh combined. It gets more volume and more tonal possibilities with the nails, but you don't need nails to play fingerstyle. What you do need, though, is to touch at that planted point. Make sure it's very planted. All right, take a moment just to get comfortable with this. Here's an exercise you can do while you wait for your coffee to brew, wait for your tea to steep, waiting for your kettle to boil. Just take 3 minutes. Touch the strings, find that planted position, and see if you can find it without looking. You know, eventually, you just, after looking at it a lot, just reach out, develop that sense of touch. You have a radar guidance system, a little GPS in your fingertips, and all you have to do is just do it enough. Your sense of touch, okay, your body awareness really does develop. So there's an easy way to bring this practice into every day. Just boil your tea water, brew your coffee, and just do this. Okay, here's another thing to do to start using the fingers independently. From that planted position, just follow through the strings. There's a common pattern: thumb, index, middle, ring. P-I-M-A would be the classical guitar notation. Thumb is P, index, I, M, middle, A, ring finger, P-I-M-A. So we're not going to go too deep into 1,000,001 patterns. What we're going to do instead is be intuitive about it. Because once you have your hands on the strings, you're going to find that a lot of this stuff will really start to show up on its own. Take a look. I take the first phrase. Okay, so if I'm using one finger per string, then I'm going index, middle, and then a little 3-finger pinch, or you can do a little roll. That's where the fingers come one after another. Instead of picking all at the same time, they roll. It's nice to, every once in a while, put a roll in there. So that would be playing it all fingerstyle. Next, you could start to add some other rhythms. Now, what I'm doing there is every 8th note, I'm adding an index. Now, that index is plucking the open C string, which pedals, drones very nicely in the key of F. Next. Okay, so here I play all 4. Index, 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 middle, index. So you put this together. Now, I do have other solos in the courses and the books that I create where everything is notated. I mean, it's totally through composed and you can follow it. And that's a great way to work. But you can also take this type of solo where it's outlined and begin to find your way through it. It's very improvisational in this way. Okay, you ad-lib your way through the arrangement. Let's take a few more phrases and see how we can use this. So far, it's a lot of this where I play the entire chord, index, entire chord, index, and then index middle. Okay, we're not getting too funky because it's a peaceful Christmas carol. There, I added a roll. All right, now of course I'm not going to play it with this necessarily, but I could play it flamenco. Okay, it's much more flashy. I think it's more appropriate for this just to play. Just pedaling on that C string. And then we move on. Okay, all the stuff I'm filling in is either index or index middle index. Here we get up to here. Nice roll. Now here I'm going to pinch those top notes with the middle and ring. Pedal. And then we move on. For this last, we have all the space. 1 is B3 and 4 and then we move up here. Here's another technique. We have a dotted quarter note. So if played exactly as written, it's this 1, 2, and 3, 4. This measure right here. On beat 2, we can just pluck with the thumb. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Did you catch that? 1, 2. And of course, as you see me doing, you can just use your thumb to fill it in. It doesn't always have to be 4-finger technique. All right, friends, I hope that you enjoyed this mini lesson. The chord solo tutorials are a bit longer. I wanted to keep this short and sweet. I hope you enjoy learning this. I know it's after Christmas, but Christmas goes on well into January at my house. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you did, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and do click subscribe. Check the links in the video description below to download this and to enjoy a discount on my other courses. Wishing you and your family many, many blessings, good health for the new year. Look forward to seeing you in another video sometime soon. Keep jamming. Keep smiling.